Yo, what's up, guys? So right now I'm currently on our way to a car dealership. My brother wants to look at a car. As you can see, he's in front of me. But if you're looking right here to my left, you might notice that I have my new camera from my last video set up. So this is my first attempt, first look, first anything about trying dual angles. So I don't know what this footage is going to look like on this camera because I don't know how bad it's shaking, or you know, I just don't know what it's going to look like. So hopefully it turns out good. I'm just going to vlog a little bit with two cameras and see if we can spice things up with the dual camera. It's kind of weird doing all these gestures and talking and this camera looking right at me instead of just the one that's on my face. So yeah, it looks like back there it's gonna rain. Stone's not with us, so we don't have his rain luck. Go check out Stone Peters on YouTube. He just made a new video about him getting his stuff back. Let's lean this bike over, huh? Woo! That was a good lean. Like I said, I don't know what that's gonna look like. It might just be me non-existent there. But what the fuck is this thing? That's an Isuzu. What the hell is even that? It's an Isuzu something or another. So the only reason that I even have this thing on my mic, I was going through my backpack, or my mic, on my mirror, I was going through my backpack and I seen that I had one of those angle johns that turn it sideways and the handlebar mount. I was gonna put it on my handlebars, but I'm like, you know, one of my mirrors is already broken, so I might as well just put it on the other mirror. I'm looking at buying new mirrors anyway, so we'll see if it scratches or if it breaks or what. But I was originally going to head up the mountains and just get some footage of me just hitting the back roads and stuff, but then he called me and said that he wants to go look at a car, and it's down over here on Colfax. So yeah, it shouldn't be very far. This motovlog is going to be very long because I don't know how this footage is going to turn out. I don't even know how that camera's set up, but you know, we'll see how it goes. I know, we've hit literally every single fucking light. I want a convertible so bad. I think convertibles are so badass, dude. Tonight, we are young, so let's set the world on fire. We could go brighter in the sun. Tonight, we could go brighter. Oh God, almost hit that big hole. This is where I almost died. Did they fix it? Yeah, it looks like they fixed it. It was up here somewhere. There was a huge pothole that almost fucking killed me. Why does that say PRN? Doesn't that mean porn? They almost just got in front of me. They literally tried to get over right in front of me. I hope this Lexus doesn't rear end me. They almost got over in front of me. They seen me at the last second, so at least they saw me. And hopefully my brake light gets their attention. My brake light makes people stop so fucking far away, it's ridiculous. Are you gonna let these guys in, or what are you doing? Rock on, hell yeah, dude. Rock on, get you some. He just kill switched his friend. Mom's at work, okay. Somebody's getting a call. It's not me, I just heard the iPhone ringtone. I'm still hearing it. My watch isn't going off. I heard dong 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 ba dong 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 ba dong 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 ba dong 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 dong. So let's set the world on fire. Oh God, that was an enormous hole. Ew, they make new Kia Souls. Oh, there's a Miata. Ah. Ah. There's the AutoZone. Right to your left. So it's right over here somewhere. Oh God. Damn, this is a sketchy ass fucking place, dude. Oh God, is that gonna pop my tires? Oh Lord. Alright. I'm just leaving the dealership. That white car right there is the one he's looking at. I left because I'm hungry and I do not want to get caught in the rain. As you know, I've said it 100 times. This GoPro is not waterproof. It's not waterproof. So if I get caught in the rain, it could potentially destroy my entire setup. And right now, there's usually mountains in front of me. And guess what? There's no mountains in front of me. So let's adjust you guys. Let's try and put you like that. There's no mountains in front of me. So that means it's raining. Bad, dude. Yeah, I'm really hoping this whole dual camera setup is a lot more pleasing to the eye. It doesn't just give you one angle to look and stare at and hear me talk and talk and talk and talk, right? That dude stole a whole ass sign, bro. That dude just took a whole ass sign. But yeah, he's out test driving right now. He's test driving a Buick for some reason. I don't know. I think Buicks are old people cars, but you know, to each his own, I guess. I like Miatas, and those are girl cars, right? So, I mean, you can't, you know, say too much. Oh my God, I swear to God, if we get caught in every fucking light again, dude, I'm gonna be so pissed. There's Casa Bonita. Casa Bonita's kind of famous. It's over there. Actually, the creators of South Park just bought it, which is fucking cool. That's super, super sick, dude. Like, maybe they'll make more South Park-y stuff in there, you know? But yeah, dude, like, this is where all the nasty motherfuckers are. Like, your meth heads and your fucking crack addicts and fucking, you know, nasty motherfuckers. Like, back when we were kids, if you were like a whore, you didn't really call them a whore. You would say, go down to Colfax. Because you'll find bitches down here just like nasty, nasty bitches, dude. Nasty bitches. But, oh, big hole. Yeah, dude, it's disgusting. Like, you know? Sick bored, dude. I hope my batteries last. Both batteries are like dying on this camera, which kind of sucks, but I don't know, hopefully it's cool. There we go, finally. So far, we've hit every fucking red light. Dude, give me a break. There's that R6 again. Bitch is nice. I like the orange color. Orange is pretty. My favorite color is blue. I like blue. I have something in my fucking mouth. That's disgusting. And I'm not saying he was, right? But that dude was selling him the car. Nice guy, but holy shit, did he reek of alcohol, man. Oh, he stunk like alcohol, bro. It was nasty, dude. Cars were clean, but like, I don't know if you should be doing test drive smelling like tequila. Doesn't that song go, and then it's like that for a while, and then it goes, tequila. Isn't that how it goes, dude? Oh, that might be how it goes, bro. It is so fucking hot in this helmet. These people next to me are staring at me because I'm talking to myself in here. Oh no, it's gonna be stuck in my head. Is that how it goes? And then it's like a tequila. Like, I think so, dude. I don't know. I can't remember dog shit. In my opinion, which nobody gives a fuck about, the Crew, or the, was it a Cruise? I think so, Chevy Cruise. I liked it better. I think it was better than the Buick. I don't know. Buick strikes old people to me, you know? Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm an idiot. Tequila. The temperature did just drop, so that means rain. Okay, I'm literally speeding by like 15 miles an hour, idiot. And look, we're here at the exact same time. Suck my cock, bitch. Now look at you. You're going slow, you motherfucker. Oh, please, I don't want to get caught in the rain. I'm not stoned, dude. Stone should be getting caught in the rain, not this guy. Dude. I am gonna get over too, though. Dude, this Subi is on everybody's ass, bro. Like, the fog? At least they're using blinkers. I need a new song stuck in my head. You know who I love listening to? Maybe it's girly of me, dog. I love Kesha, dude. Like, Kesha just... There's a place downtown where the big dog come around. There's a hole in the wall. It's a dirty free-for-all. When they turn me on, when they take it off, when they take it off, there's a place. You know that song? Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Holy fuck, dude. It's hot. Yeah, there's supposed to be like mountains up there, and there's not. I'm opening my visor. Oh yeah, give me some of that fresh air, baby. I definitely want to go hit the back twisties again with this second angle. I think it'd be kind of cool. Put like it on the front of the bike, change it up every once in a while. I really want to go with the twisties, but I figured since it's gonna rain, the roads are gonna be wet, and I don't really want to risk, you know, flying around those corners in the fucking rain. But I want to do it one more time since like summer's over, but you know, it still should be warm for a little while. At night, it's like hoodie weather. At the lowest we've been so far is about 47 degrees, 46, 47 degrees is the lowest we've hit so far. And he didn't wave at me. Is the lowest we've hit so far. And after being in 80, 90 degree, 100 degree weather, that's freezing. That's cold as shit, dude. You guys ain't gonna be able to see much, but that shit looks rainy. I don't know the speed limit right here. I'm definitely speeding. These always scare me. Like, is this van gonna go for it, you know? Oh, he didn't. Woo! Now I have Kesha stuck in my head. But yeah, these batteries are getting ready to die. This is gonna be a lot of footage to edit because I have two cameras and my iPad doesn't even like when I have one camera. So I'm probably gonna end it here. I'm gonna go home, eat, just chill out for the night. So yeah, if you enjoyed the dual cameras, I hope I did it justice. I hope I made it look cool, and you know, if you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later! I get to lean the bike over again.
There's Stone in the white van. Everybody say hello, Stone.